One of the interesting things you can do with generative fill is expanding your photos. Suppose you have clicked a photo or someone clicked your photo, your legs are cut in your photo, or maybe your arm is cut. So these are the things mostly people who are not photographers, they do these mistakes. You can fix that with generative fill now. This is me, Farid Fana, your friend and guide in this channel. There are a few photos I've selected for you guys. First of all, you will look at this photo. Although this photo is good, it looks good, but I wanna do some demonstrations of generative fill, how it works and how can we expand this photo. First of all, we need to resize it or expand it manually. For example, I need to add this much area on the right, left, top, and this much in the bottom. Yeah, done. Then I'll do what? I'll take my rectangular marquee tool, select this much area of my photo. You need to leave some parts in your selections outside the rectangular marquee tool because generative fill needs to know what are you expanding, which colors are you expanding, whether it is wood, whether it is frame, whether it is human legs or arm, whatever it is, you need to leave at least this much space. Then what would we do? To inverse the selection, we can do it manually as well. Right click while you are in rectangular marquee tool or any other selection tool. You can select inverse. If you're inverse, normally we select it like this, then right click on it, select inverse, then it will deselect this area and select the areas which we didn't select. Just click on generative fill and only click on generate, no description is needed. Click on it. It will start its work. By the time the processes are completed, they will give you 3 variations of the results. The one which you think looks fit or looks good, you can select that one. Okay, the process is finished. There are a few things which looks very good and there are a few things which are disaster. For example, the text above the K logo, it's not readable first. The frames are really good. And the legs, first of all, this is not what he is wearing. He's wearing shalwar kind of thing. And my legs are doing well, but I think it looks funny too. Let's see the next variation or next result. Okay, we are not selecting that one. I look awful, but frames are good. K has been changed to R. And let's see the third one. Third one is nice. Or let's stick with the first one. Let's select this area. Just right remove. Okay, it is removed. So this is how the first result we selected for our photos. The more important thing is I'm necessary in this photo. So I'm more focused on my pant or my legs. This was the first result. Let's go to the next picture. I've selected this one. Let's expand the bottom area of our photo. Would it be enough or not? I think it's enough. Let's click on OK. Go to your rectangular marquee tool, select it. Right click on it, select inverse, then click on generative fill and generate. It is really easy to fill your photos or empty side of your photos or expand your photo with generative fill only with few clicks. You don't need to write any description for that. Okay, the result is not bad. It's in my hand too long. Go to next one. My fingers are cut. The next one. And nope. The first one looks good. We can stick with that. There's something funny with my hand. Okay, my thumb is not good, but it looks very long than my other hand. Let's go to the other photo, expand this, go to crop, expand this much, or this much. Go to marquee, rectangular marquee tool, select it, right click on it, select inverse, Generative Fill and generate. Wow, now that is amazing. The details it gives to your photo, this is fine as well. So here are the things you can do with your generative fill. You can easily expand your photos. There are a bunch of other things you can do with that. Whatever you think, would it be possible to do it with your generative fill? Try it and let's see the results, how precise it is and how well it can keep up with you. We will cover everything of generative fill with this playlist of ours. There are other videos. If you haven't watched it yet, watch it. If you haven't subscribed my channel, subscribe it to be aware of the things we are going to record, of the courses we are going to provide you guys, and see you guys in the next video.